These homemade dinner rolls are soft, fluffy, and made completely from scratch. Today I'm making classic old-fashioned dinner rolls using a simple Better Homes and Garden style recipe. Nothing fancy, just real homemade comfort. We start by activating the yeast with warm milk and a little bit of sugar. This wakes it up and gets the dough started. Once it's foamy, we know it's ready to build our dough. We will add our remaining ingredients: sugar, the yeast, melted butter, and eggs. We knead the dough until it becomes elastic and soft. This is what gives the rolls their fluffy texture later on. At first it looks messy, but as it mixes, it slowly comes together into something soft and smooth. Now it's time to let the dough rise until it doubles in size. This is where the magic happens as the yeast does all the work. Once the dough has risen, we divide it and shape it into small, even rolls. Then they go into the pan, ready for their second rise. After a short rest, the rolls puff up again. This is what makes them light and airy once they're baked. Now they bake until golden brown on top and soft in the center. And this is the best part. fresh, warm dinner rolls straight from the oven, soft on the inside, golden on top, and perfect with a little butter. Simple ingredients, old-fashioned method, and the perfect homemade comfort food. Thanks for watching. More simple recipes coming soon.